What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some steak flatbread sandwiches. And it ain't Subway, baby. It's my way. So let's hit the highway. That's right, baby. Flatbread steak sandwiches. An easy weeknight meal that you can fold up and just let it go, baby. So, first things first, gotta get the steak and put it in the pan. Now today we've got some carne picada, but really all you need is just some thin sliced beef, baby. Some eye around, some shit like that, man. You know, tell the butcher, you know, get a steak or a roast or something and say, slice it thin, baby, slice it thin like the onions on Goodfellas. So, we've got our meat in there, let's go ahead and break it up. Looks good, looks good, looks good. And to give this sandwich just a little more flavor, baby, we're going to use some green peppers and onions. Now, I've already got these chopped up and ready to go. So, we're going to get these right here and put them in with our meat. Now, once you get that done, you can go ahead and just for a little extra kick, baby, what do we do all the time? And what we're going to do tonight? Salt and pepper, baby. Put a little bit of salt in there. And just a bit of the pepper too. Now, once we got both of those in there, we're going to stir this up and we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes or so. High heat, put a lid on there if you got it. If not, the hell with it, baby, just let it go. And once this meat is done, we'll come back and we'll be ready to assemble our flatbread sandwich. And shit, we'll be there, baby, we'll be ready for the big bite. So let's get it done right. Come on, baby. Alright, baby, we got our steak and onion green pepper mixture all done and ready to go. So, it's time to assemble the flatbread steak sandwich. And then we're going to take it and put it in the skillet and melt that cheese on there. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. First of all, you got to get your flatbread. Now today, I've got some Joseph's lavash bread, sir. Now, this is the only flatbread that I could really find at my local Walmart. But there again, I live in the sticks, boy, you know. People think flatbread is when you sit on the Sara Lee. But no, sir. This is what I'm talking about. This is actually a little thinner than I wanted it, but it's going to work out just fine. So, first thing we're going to do is lay that out flat. Of course, it's going to be flat as flat bread. Yeah, dummy. So, then you'll take a healthy scoop of this steak, and we're going to fill one side of this thing here. Now, you want to use quite a bit, but you want to leave a little room so we can fold and do some other things too. So, just about like that should be right. Now, you may say to yourself, Black Hour, that's too big, that's too big. We're going to cut it in half, baby. Just let me do me. Get, oh, stop wondering what I'm doing. Just watch. Next thing we're going to do is take some provolone cheese. I'm going to take 2 pieces and break it up into halves here. And we will set them just right along the top like that. That looks good. Finally, we're going to use some sauce, baby, because you know what I say. The sauce is just the boss. Today we've got some zesty ranch. Kind of like a Chipotle style spice. You know, kind of trying to go with that Subway feel though. They got that Southwest sauce and that is some good stuff. So, pretty close and we're going to use it today. Grip, 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 grip. Zesty ranch. Looks good. Now, got a little on my finger. Ooh, that's good. Now take that puppy and fold it over just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and set it down in the skillet. Don't let it sit for too long. Just long enough to kind of melt your cheese and give a little toasty warmness, some goodness to it. Then we're going to take it out, cut it in half, and we'll be ready to have that big bite. But first, let's stand back and marvel in delight at this folded flatbread sandwich tonight. Ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The flatbread steak sandwich is done. And I'm having that first bite. Just for me, baby. Look at all that sauce dripping. The cheese melting, baby. That's good shit right there. I flat out love it. Damn. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Ooh, make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.